parent of athletes here in the district. I'm a coach and I'm also a teacher in the district, so I come from a lot of different angles here. I get around to a lot of the other schools as a coach. I get to see other facilities and schools, but also as a parent, I travel to see my son play and I walk around and tour other schools. And facility-wise, not just athletics, but in a lot of areas, we are deficient. Our weight room and our fitness availability, it is undersized. The athletic facilities in general, our gyms and our weight rooms are not comparable to other schools in the area. And you can say that that's not important, but when we try to teach the whole student, we have to have the physical aspect of it, and we are deficient in those areas without a doubt.
With Milford Wrestling, we practice currently in the Robbins building, and all the wrestling teams use it. The junior high, the youth, the high school, and youth has contributed tremendously over the years to the program financially. They bought the wrestling mats for the room, but it's an old building. It's basically a prefab metal pole barn. So its heating system is limited. It heats the air, but it doesn't condition it from humidity that you derive through that sport.
And a ton of people visit our campus for sporting events. So their perception of our football stadium having portalets and a small outdated concession stand, that appears to be unprofessional, and people get that perception that Milford is not. However, if you look at our excellent rating, if you look at our academics, if you look at our AP standings, all of those things are off the charts. But people see athletic facilities and they may not know that we're excellent in other areas.
I look at our football stadium, and while we've made some great enhancements, the installation of new bleachers on one side of the stadium, we for the first time could have every single student that wanted to be a part of the student section or our flock be a part of the student section. There are so many ways that those athletic facilities, or those things that are categorized as athletic facilities, impact the greater community, impact the greater school population, and provide incredible experiences and memories for our students. And it's important that those facilities both reflect our community and our community standards, as well as the needs of our students and fans and spectators.